a lot of beeps. Heck yeah. Super Bowl Sunday. Not really excited. I'm sure some of you are. I'm a Seahawks fan. Didn't make it. I'm from Washington. Love them. Crazy. Not a bandwagon fan. Let's get that right. I've been a fan forever. Okay. You can call me a bandwagon fan if you want to. Not really, though. Here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this northwest weather. Rain. What do we got here? 40 degrees. Just nice enough not to snow. Streetcar. Kind of funny. Everybody that knows me knows maybe I drive my car a little more than I should. Driving the snow, the rain, whatever. How I've been with everything I've ever owned. It doesn't sit in the garage. I drive it all the time. So that equals more maintenance too. So more of a chance to blow up, blah blah blah. Stuff gets on the car, gets on the wheels. It's the environment. It's not that great for your car if you drive in the rain and the snow, but I don't care. I like it. So that is the question for today. What do you think is a streetcar? Is it the guy that has plates on his car and has to trailer it everywhere? I mean, I can respect the people who travel long distances and have to put a better fuel in their vehicle, I guess you would say. But I'm talking about the ones who don't actually drive their car. They might take pictures on nice days or whatever. And I get it. Maybe you want to save it. There's some purists. My buddy has an R32. You know, I get it. You can't just go out. Somebody comes in and they hits you. It's not easy to replace. You know, road grime, whatever. I'm talking about your normal street car. Everyday guy who shows up, boasting that he has a street car, blah blah blah, but he never drives it. The only time you ever see it is on a sunny day or a short clip on a little road somewhere. So you tell me, what is a street car? Which comes into a big debate too at the racetrack, because you get these guys that drive their car all the time. It's an actual street car. And you get Joe Schmo who shows up with his car on a trailer, you know, running 8-second passes, whatever. Like I said, I get the ones who come from far distances, whatever, but I don't know. You tell me, what's a street car? I think this is a street car, but you know, when you show up to a street car race, it's not always the thing. You show up in your street car, and next thing you know, these guys are showing up, and it looks like a show car is on the trailer, but they have a license plate. Awesome, I love it, but sorry, in my opinion, it's not a street car. Street car race should be for street cars, real street cars. Granted, this isn't crazy. It made like 620 wheel. Thank you, Matt Kaiser, Turbo Technology, awesome. You tell me. Let's scrub these wheels. These streetcar wheels. Whew. It's way too cold for that. But you gotta give it some love, even in the rain. Heck yeah. So let me know what you think. Streetcar, not a streetcar, whatever. I guess my definition might be a little bit different than everybody else's, but I just want to figure out what you guys think. I know everybody's got that sandbagger wherever they live, screaming streetcar when it's not really a streetcar. But see what you guys think. When we get back home, it's cold. Remember, have fun in your streetcar. Don't worry about what other people think. Live your life the way you want.